The lucky thing about this program is that we are in the new building of the School of Dentistry in the University of Geneva, which is an amazing infrastructure that we are lucky to have in this city for the last few years. The program is based on the digital technologies, but at the same time it gives you the opportunity and the possibility to, experiment all the Geneva approach and really learn every step of the way of thinking in the University of Geneva and the School of Dentistry, which is an extremely well-renowned school for being a non-invasive or micro-invasive. So this is a good chance at the same time to kind of engage in this kind of program and really change the mindset into this kind of technique. This program helped me to change my daily practice because now I'm becoming more and more as a digital dentist and not really like the older techniques that we used to have, and helped me actually to modify the way my dental technician works with me as well, because he's more engaged now in digital dentistry than before. So it's really changing every aspect of the daily practice that we do.